experience to every student. That's what is access. If you ask me a straight question, if you literally talk about access as Webster's dictionary or Oxford dictionary gives, access is there in Andhra Pradesh. But we have added something, understood the NEP properly, and we said we wanted to give you high quality education. Access to quality education. And then equity. All said. When I have 36 years of experience in this professional field, altogether after my graduation. A lot of changes we have seen. At one point of time, this college was established in 1979. Till 1983, purely college was admitting. There was no merit. In this college, 79 it is established. Till 1983, college principal or management used to admit students. You know what prevails? Cash prevails, not the merit. Whoever can pay more can get the seat. 1983, when NTR came in, he has decided to keep merit quota in private engineering colleges also. That's how merit quota started. But then fees started growing very fast upward. Those days when I joined, my tuition fee was 5,000 rupees. My tuition fee was 5,000 rupees. 5,000 was a very big amount for my father. At one point of time, he even persuaded me to stop joining engineering program. Because 5,000 was a big money. And there were many students, and I know one of my friend who has scored 800 rank, or say 986 rank, not 800. He could not get a seat in University Engineering College. He got a seat in private engineering college. Those days we had only, I think, 11 engineering colleges. Not affording to pay the tuition fee, that boy joined BSc program. Though he got an engineering seat, though it was a meritorious. So the equity comes when every student who is desirous and capable of getting into a college should be joining his choice, should be selecting his choice. Money should not constrain them. That is equity. Of all walks of the society, now Andhra has done something extraordinary in that front. Let me tell you, the total tuition fee reimbursement is something, we had a very detailed analysis on this. At one point of time, the government was reimbursing only 35,000 rupees. Government was reimbursing only 35,000 rupees, and the balance fee to be borne by the student. Say the college fee is 80,000 rupees. The remaining 35 and the remaining 45,000 rupees to be borne by the student. And 2019, when the total tuition fee reimbursement was done, we made an analysis. We have selected the best of the colleges in the state of Andhra Pradesh. We started observing the cutoff ranks in each of these colleges. To our surprise, the cutoff rank sharply increased. Now, a college X, I don't name the colleges, a college X, in which a 16,000 ranker was getting a seat till 2018. In 2019, when total tuition fee reimbursement was introduced, a 12,000 ranker could not get a seat in that college. Understood? What am I trying to say? A 12,000 ranker could not get it, whereas earlier 16,000 rankers. Why I'm saying I'm not praising anyone, but matter of fact, the policy how it influences. Now, that obviously means it did not happen in one college. It happened almost in 16 colleges. 16 very good colleges, let me tell you. Or in public perception, what are said to be very good colleges. Everywhere the cutoff, enormously moved up. What does it mean? It means, though I am meritorious, I cannot join a college X because I will have to pay 50,000 from my pocket, whereas my parents' finances will not permit me. So they were compromised. వాడికి సీట్ వచ్చి వాడు జాయిన్ కాలేదు కాబట్టి ఇంకోటి డబ్బులు ఉన్న వాడికి వచ్చి వాడు ఎందుకు జాయిన్ కాలేదు? why did not he join? His finances did not permit him, so he compromised and chose another college with a lesser tuition fee. Obviously with a lesser tuition fee, meaning what? Compromising on the quality. Quite obviously, all of you know quality and money are quite related. If you are a mechanical student and a faculty, you obviously know quality comes at a cost. So what happened? When I am talking about equity, I am not talking about equity of, equal representation from every quarter, every strata of social life, but at the same time, everyone should be choosing their opportunity equally well. That is it. And then quality, of course. We made series of measures to improve the quality. Move next, please. Now, very quickly recapping on the size of higher education in the state of Andhra Pradesh, we have 53 universities, 2,600 colleges, and almost 2 million, I said it wrong, 19 lakhs or 20 lakhs students. And you will be surprised to note that boys are 10 lakh and girls are only 9 lakh. And until I became chairman of the State Council of Higher Education, I never knew that GPI, what is called GPI, Gender Parity Index. Very roughly, it is called the gross enrollment ratio of girls divided by gross enrollment ratio of boys. If you don't want to understand all those, it is simply ratio of, very approximately, not exactly, approximately ratio of girls joining to boys joining. You know what was the ratio in 2019? 0.81. I never knew. I got so surprised and shocked to know that for every 100 boys, only 800 girls joined. For every 100 boys joining, only 800 girls joined. What a shame. When population is same, how much of compromise that was made by the girl children or the parents of the girls. What kind of a compromise? It's killing the aspiration, right? Killing the aspiration. And in the last 5 years, we jumped the ratio from 0.81 to 0.91. Now today in Andhra Pradesh, 910 girls join for every 100. We are not happy with this. I think this need to move forward. 100 is to 100. That should be the number. All said, there is no disagreement. If America could not elect a woman president in the entire their life, it is their problem. But we in Andhra Pradesh, we should equally respect boys and girls, male child and female child. And that is about the access, equity, equality. I think some of the, if you go take deep dive into all this data, you will understand on your own what is happening across. So I said gender parity index is not 0.91, it is 0.94. Now I am talking about 2024 data, very latest data. And gross enrollment ratio What is the gross enrollment ratio? Number of people in the age group of 18 and 23. Number of people in the age group of 18 and 23 in the denominator. And of them, how many are joining colleges and universities after intermediate? This is gross enrollment ratio. What is it speaking? The number says 37.2. That means for every 100 people in this state in the age group of 18 and 23, 37.2 are joining colleges. 37.2 are joining colleges, remaining are not joining. Now what a shame it is, let me tell you. Any developed nation, the gross enrollment ratio would be somewhere above 55. Above 55. Now, how many children are wasting their lives for want of education? How many, and I don't say whoever is not educated is leading a miserable life. Probably you would have joined a business, family business, or you would have acquired a skill and doing it without a degree certificate. That's a different issue. But you see, a minimum education to a degree level is expected, if I believe, as chairman AP State Council of Higher Education I was then, if I had believed on my education system, I would expect 100% of the people to go and join colleges, because colleges ought to expand their horizon. Ought to expand their horizon. The old Gurukul days, where students go and serve the Guru for so long.